Hi everyone, this is Vidya Saranavel from SN EduPoint Training Institute. Now I'm going to share you about the early childhood methods of teaching and various activities involved for training at primary and pre-primary kids. Basically, this is grouped into four albums, namely Creative Album, Montessori Album, Max Album, Language Album. First, let us see about the Creative Album. Children like the experiments in color, ink, papers, etc. The cut and craft work makes a child to understand the values of cooperation, enable them to form useful concepts. Some of them are pencil shaving. Here, the child traces the drawing of his own. His imagination develops to get the pencil shaving into various shapes fitting. It also helps in eye hand coordination and strengthen the muscle power of the hands. Rubbing. This helps the child to shade the entire paper and erase out a design on the shaded portion so that a picture emerges. Gripping of pencils and erasing a portion increases the concentration and also his imagination. Spray work. This helps the child to trace a picture and with proper guidance cut out the design to be used as a stencil. Holding the brush in the hand, spray the colors helps to strengthen the thumb muscles of the child. Coin printing. In this, the child uses the color pencils and shade the coins on the sheet without moving on the coins below. This improves the hand-eye coordination and learns about the combination of colors, various shapes, sizes of coins. Fingerprinting. After tracing a picture of choice, apply the poster colors on the index finger and make it to apply on the drawing in a requested pattern. The strength of the child finger increases. Vegetable printing. In this, cut the vegetable in the required shapes, apply poster colors on the cut surface and apply on the painted paper. This enhances the creativity and understand the create patterns of designs using vegetables. Crayon coloring. After tracing a picture, the child is allowed to color the picture using oil pastels in one direction so that there is neatness in work. This improves holding the crayons, coloring a picture within the boundaries. Cotton work. After tracing a picture, cut the cotton rolls in the required shape and apply it on the respective shapes using Fevicol. This helps to identify the sensory feeling of the material, that is, cotton. Bits pasting work. Trace a picture of choice and ask the child to tear off bits from the oil sheet and paste the bits next to each other on the picture. This helps in muscle strengthening and hand eye coordination. Leaf printing. In this, help the child to select various sizes and shapes of leaves. Turn the leaf and apply the poster colors on the veins of the leaf. Help him to place a painted leaf on a A4 sheet to form an impression. As a result, it increases the creativity and pattern formation. Sandwork. After tracing a picture, help a child to apply a Fevicol on the picture and scatter the color sand as per the design. This in turn improves the hand control and finger gripping. Stick work helps the child to draw a picture and make him to apply a Fevicol evenly on the picture. Now, place the toothpick in the desired portion. This develops the patient to arrange the stick as per size in the drawing. Chunky work. Trace the picture of child's choice and spread the Fevicol on it. Now, with the help of the toothpick, pick a chunky of required color and place them one by one. As a result, child's patience and color concept develops. Thread pulling. Help the child to take a required length of thread and apply the choice of his color. Guide him to hold the thread without the color rolled on his index finger and the other end placed on the rough sheet and with the other hand pull the thread. This develops the holding and pulling effort. Pin pricking. Help the child to trace out a drawing and ask the child to prick along the drawing. Ask the child to turn over the paper and feel the pricked areas. As a result, hand-eye coordination develops. Bindi work. Trace out a picture and guide the child to place the bindis one by one according to their size to suit the picture. Here the child able to decide the size and shape of the bindi required for the picture and also strengthens the finger muscles. Thumb printing. After tracing a picture, guide the child to select the required colors and apply it on the thumb. Make the thumb impressions on the picture. The strength of the child's thumb increases. Paper crush work. Trace out a picture and help the child to tear out the bits of paper from crepe paper. Guide the child to roll the paper with the thumb, pointer, middle finger to form the balls and stick it on the picture. This helps in the development of arms, palms, and fingers. Crayon scratching. Make the child to color the A4 sheet with bright colors. After that, apply black color oil pastel. Guide them to trace out a picture from it through scratching. This helps in strengthening of hand muscles. Mosaic painting. Trace out a picture. Now guide the child to dip a toothpick in the poster color and drop the poster color in the form of droplets on the picture. This in turn increases the concentration. Jigina work. After drawing a picture, advise the child to apply Fevicol on the picture. Now scatter the glitter as per the required colors over the picture. It helps in creativity and finger muscle strengthening. Painted flags. Make the child to dip a painting brush in poster color and spray simply on an oil sheet to form irregular patterns. After drying, cut them into flags and paste them on a thread for hanging. As a result, gripness of finger developed. Foam work. After tracing out a picture, help him to cut out the foam sheet in a required shape and paste it on the picture. By using the scissors for cutting, the finger muscles are strengthened. Colorful flowers. Helps the child to fold a kite paper into various folds and trace out a design of flowers and petals. Cut out the flowers and petals and paste them into a roll over paper straw. Hand muscles is developed here. 3D paper decoration. Trace out a design on a chart paper of two sets. Guide the child to apply Fevicol on the chart paper and stick golden papers. Take the first design and cut through the center from top to bottom. Hand-eye coordination is increased. Crepe paper bag. Using adult supervision, cut a chart paper in a bag shape and stick a color paper over it. Decorate the bag using decorative items. This develops imagination and hand-eye coordination. The next we see about the Montessori album. The first and foremost is focus on the child and his observing and self-learning qualities. Prepare an environment for the practical sensational language, mathematics, and central activities. Here are some of the practical activities. Kitchen, helping while cooking. This activity helps the child to learn cleanliness and control the environment in which they live and work. They get to learn in this activity how to help while cooking. Buttoning. This practical activity develops the motor skills and coordination as well as enriches his vocabulary and build up his self-esteem and makes him feel worthwhile. Shoelacing. This activity helps the child in learning to lace and unlace the shoes. This aims in developing the child's coordination, concentration, and independent development. Sensorial activities. To develop the child's discriminate visually the differences in three dimensions, to help the child to develop fine muscular coordination, the concept of numbers in demonstrating the unit of difference in distance between the edges of the 10 successively large cubes. Here we see 10 pink wooden cubes varying in size from 1 cubic centimeter to 1 cubic decimeter. This is nothing but a pink tower where it differing equally in all dimensions by increments of 1 centimeter. Color tablets. It will make the child perceives colors including differences in hues and intensities indirectly to prepare child for later techniques in visual arts. Auditory sense. To develop the child's auditory sense, especially the perception of the relative loudness or softness of sound. Here we see the 5 pairs of plastic sound boxes, each pair of box filled with equal amounts of beads. These materials should make different volumes of sound from the lowest decibel to the highest decibel when shaken. The contents of the box in one box precisely match those of the other box. Next is the tactile sense. Refinement of tactile sense. It enhances the feeling of touch in a child and makes him aware of different textures. 5 pairs of rectangular pieces of different gradation of sandpaper from smooth to coarser is placed here. Name the sandpaper and show that it is kept here. Sensitize the fingers of the child. Gustatory sense. To develop the child's perception of taste, to introduce the 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and hot. Here we see the 5 pouches of boxes with materials having different tastes are arranged in column. That is sweet, that is sugar, salt, tamarind, fenugreek, hot cloves. How's the child? Next we see is the thermic sense. To help the child develop thermic sense by touching, dense materials like stone, steel feel cool to touch, and porous organic materials such as rubber, wood feel warm to touch. Here we see a covered pack divided into 5 pouch compartments. The materials are stone, clay, coin, wood, very thick wool, and rubber. Olfactory sense. To refine the olfactory sense and to make the child aware of the variety of odors and fragrances in the environment. The contents in each set includes 6 different natural substances with distinct scents, that is talcum, incense sticks, camphor, asafoetida, cinnamon, and turmeric. Stereognostic sense. To give the child an opportunity to apply the stereognostic sense to the exploration and identification of unknowns. Mystery bag. A cloth bag with a cord tie contains 8 small tiny shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, etc. These shapes are cut out of cardboard and painted on both the sides. The name of the shapes should be written on the cardboard with the help of a sketch pen. Science. This activity enriches the child knowledge about the science that is around us. Here first let us see about the food group game. It will help the child to learn about the different varieties of food and the nutrition present in the food. Pictures of different kinds of food, food pyramid, and a food nutrition chart is given here. Solar system. This activity enriches the child's knowledge on the universe and also helps them to have a better understanding of the solar system and the universe. History. So history defines about the past of our country, and not only our country, also about the world. So first let us see about the national leaders. To know about the different leaders, a set of 8 cards with each picture of different leaders are pasted here. A set of cards with the names underneath the leaders are pasted. Geography. This will help the child to be aware of the flags, about the countries, and also the climatic conditions of all the countries are seen here. Here we see about the flags around the world. Different flags of various countries and the names written at the back of the flag. Flag should be on a cardboard. This helps the child to be aware of the flags of different countries around the world. Max album. The child had already performed the 4 arithmetic operations in simple forms. The deductive method of having consists of rods of long strand which give empirical representation of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now we see the number steps. In this we draw circles according to numbers and given colors accordingly to represent the each numbers. This is put up as a number step which helps the child count and identify the colors too. Next is the counting frame. Here shows that the beads are drawn according to the place value, specifying the different colors for each of them to understand easily. Subtraction frame and activity with or without borrowing. This is a frame activity which is used for subtraction, that is with or without borrowing, in an easy manner. Divide frame activity. In the same manner, the division is also performed using the frame activity in an easy way. Number chart. Number chart is designed describing the hundreds, tens, ones, place value of different numbers. So we have seen the example over here. Factor tree. Factor tree method is done by drawing circles according to rows and columns of given numbers. So we have given some of the examples over here of rows and columns. 3 by 6, 2 by 9, etc. Next is the theorem of Pythagoras, where the side in the proportion 3 is to 4. The two square formed on the sides can be entirely filled by small square composing the square on hypotenuse so that they are of the same color, while the square formed on the hypotenuse can be done by other two colors. Next we see the language album. Language activities consist of different activities, stories, rhymes, essay writing and poster making. Finally, colors. The primary colors, secondary colors which will help the children to identify is developed. Here we see the primary colors and secondary colors. In this, the primary colors are yellow, red and blue. Secondary colors are the combination of all these colors. Rhymes. This activity is done to develop the language skill and make them to memorize the lines, which helps in the brain development. Here we go see the three different objects in this picture, which was already shown in the creative album, how to use them as a teaching aid. Story. This activity develops the memory power of the kids, also his language skill. In this story, the teacher uses the teaching aid materials which was done to bring the attention of the kids. Poster making. This helps the child to develop his creativity on a particular topic and make him to design the poster giving a message on it. So here we see a poster describing a message about the blood. Give blood for those who give life. Next comes the essay. The child develops a creativity on a topic and also tries to give all his knowledge about the particular topic what he is going to write. Okay everyone, I thank for watching all this video. Thank you one and all.